What in your life keeps you so busy that all your thoughts, every cell of your body and your heart is yearning for it? What is it? It is time, now. Whether it is something uncomfortable or it can be also something good for you. But release it. Release it now out of your system. If it's something special and what is meant to be with you or for you, then it will come back in a new way. But now, it's all about your own inner freedom. Write it down on a piece of paper. What is not meant to be right now in you? What is it? Light a candle and burn it with the words, "Thank you, ... for being. I learned from you and now I let go. ... is completely released from my inner world." Speak it out loud, even if you are alone, and feel how it changes in you. What do you feel now? If you don't have a fire, write it on a toilet paper and just flash it if you're not in Asia.